clear. Today we are going to see trim function. Trim function in Excel used to remove extra space for text, leaving only single space between the words. Remove all leading space before the first word, or remove all trailing space after the last word, or replace multiple space between words with a single space. So, for example, if there's a carrot, after that there is a space, so we have to remove this space. Or before book there is a space. Or if we see the big bottle, there is a space between, there is a two space. So actually we cannot remove one by one. So what we do, simply we use trim function here. We update equal trim and double click and select and enter. So it will remove extra space and we drag here. So when we see there is no space, so in this case what we have to do, we have to copy and simply we have to keep the first cell and value paste. So the correct trimmed words pasted here. Now if you click here, there is no space in the book, there is no space in the middle of the big bottle, there is no one space is available. So correctly it's updated. Thank you very much, and we will meet soon in the next video.